welcome back to my channel, and we are going to you see now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video guys, we are going to try this beverage. All this beverage in front of us, we are going to try Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, we are going to do this challenge. What challenge, Catherine?
So you and Caitlin are gonna guess the flavors, and if you guess the flavors correctly, you get a point.
Okay.
But if you also can guess the brand, you get 2 points.
Alright.
So basically, you two are gonna be blindfolded,
Oh.
and I'm gonna give you the drinks. You guys need to guess the flavors
Okay.
and the brand.
Okay. So let's begin. Ooh, I got Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse.
Hi everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, do you want to come inside my clubhouse?
Mickey Mouse.
Come, let's start.
Okay. Now,
Yes, now.
two of us.
Yes.
Blindfold drinks naman to guys. Round one. I want to sleep.
There's a hole here.
Hi. Ten, 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 ten. I feel like sleepy now. Oh. Drink easy.
Apple. Apple? Tastes like apple.
Yes. Is it apple? Twister.
Apple.
What brand is it, Caitlin? You sure it's Twister?
Yes.
What brand is it?
I don't know. Apple. Apple, apple.
Twister.
Flavor.
Oh, apple.
Apple.
Your final guess is apple.
Yeah.
So the brand is
Twister.
Twister. Caitlin? Just apple. Nothing. Just apple?
Yeah, I don't know what the brand.
Okay.
I mean,
Tropicana. Twister.
Twister.
Oh my
Apple.
God.
Okay, ready for round 2?
Alright.
Come on.
I'm getting sleepy.
Getting sleepy?
We sleep first, Caitlin. Caitlin, we sleep first.
I can see.
For the whole video, we're doing blindfold.
Yeah, blindfold.
Oh my god.
Yeah, hold your hand, mom. Hold on. Caitlin. Come. Your hand out. Yeah, out. Okay.
Why always I cannot put in my mouth?
Disgusting! Latte! No, 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 no. No, no.
Mommy likes it. Mommy likes it.
I like
It's been a while. I have a drink coffee.
You
Coffee
should-
latte.
yes.
Yes.
It's coffee latte.
Can you guess the brand?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Cafe latte. Yes. What brand is it? Farm. Farm fresh. Okay. Round 3. This one, Caitlin don't want to drink.
You want drink? I go wash it. Why is there a Pringle on the table?
I wanted to eat some.
Same.
Like
What,
snacking and drinking?
Yes.
Tea?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Round 3?
Huh?
Round 3?
Yes.
Mom. Caitlin,
Yeah.
come.
Later I poke my nose.
I hated pineapple.
Don't say it out first.
It's better than pineapple.
It's pineapple.
I hate it. I don't like it.
The brand.
What again?
Listen.
Caitlin, what flavor?
Pineapple Vitagen.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, blindfold so you can take it out.
Why you do that?
I don't know.
Oi! Stop! Who get the points? More.
You will be on the screen.
Okay. Wait.
Right there. Caitlin, yours is up there.
Alright.
Okay.
It's up there. Your point is up there.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So?
the fourth round, yeah?
Yeah. Okay. Huh?
Oh! I
Yeah.
feel it. Yum 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 yum. Mm. Ooh.
Ooh. Fuzzy. Angela.
Oh my God! What is that?
Angela.
The shandy. Shandy.
The beer Angela. Yum.
Huh?
Yum.
Yama.
I'm gonna drink this.
Aglia. How to pronounce it?
Angela.
Angela. Angela, baby.
Final guess. Mom?
Shandy. Aglia. Aglia. Aglia.
Angela.
Aglia.
Caitlin,
Angela.
how about you?
Angela.
What's the
I don't know. Don't ask questions.
Yay! Shandy.
how to read? How to read?
Angela, baby.
Next round?
Okay.
You ready?
Help,
Yes.
help, please.
What happened? Mom, what happened? Get off.
No, give me. I want it.
Put here, put here.
They are eating. This is a beverage video, not chips. This one Caitlin might like. Want to take a sniff?
Yeah, I don't want this. I want this.
I cannot smell.
You can drink. Careful.
Why so fast you can't drink it?
I like it. I seventy.
Don't say. What's the flavor?
I 70.
The brand?
Season?
Yeah, you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
It's actually F&N.
Huh?
It's F&N.
Oh.
F&N season.
Oh.
So you get a half a point. Half a point. Mom, half a point.
Okay.
Next round?
Next round.
Yeah.
You guys getting full?
Yes.
No. No. No.
Next round, come on.
Come on.
I'm gonna choose something that Caitlin likes.
Yay!
I think you're gonna have a stomach ache later.
I don't care. Right to
Oh.
hell. Where is it?
It's on the table.
Where? I fell. That's a bit chocolate milk.
Can you guess the brand?
Farm fresh
Fresh.
Caitlin, you copy people.
chocolate drink.
That's cheating,
I
Caitlin.
want more.
That's cheating. Mom?
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk,
My favorite.
farm fresh.
Caitlin take out the
Oh,
blindfold
yeah.
already. You are correct, mommy.
No, I'm correct. I got one. Can I start eating? I'm already.
Next
Okay.
round.
Why do you make that sound?
What?
What? Mickey Mouse? No, you're a mouse. Yeah.
And careful.
Wait.
Careful. Oh,
Yay!
careful. It's
I don't
What's
care.
this? Oh, no straw.
Caitlin pour on her body already.
Mm.
She poured it. She took it so fast.
It's Yakult.
It's Coke, of course. Yakult, of course.
I think all of it. Caitlin po?
And pour
Come on, guess the flavor.
Yakult.
Yakult original.
Yay.
Where? Oh my.
Mom, are you sleeping?
I think I cannot find.
Mommy's sleeping already.
Cannot find?
I got that on camera.
Huh?
I got that on camera. Next round.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. What's next? What's that? This is my favorite. My favorite.
You slowly take. Later you pour again.
Where is
I'll give it to you. Mom, I'll give it to you.
Yum. I know this taste.
Don't say it first.
I know. But I don't know.
Wow. So yucky.
What you say?
So yucky at the taste.
It's the.
What did she say?
Mango flavor.
But also, I know the taste, but I don't know. But
My
I
nose
don't
so
know.
itchy.
I know the
What's
taste.
the flavor?
I know.
Mango.
Get it?
I don't know.
What's the flavor?
Is it mango?
Is it? I don't know. Is
This
it?
one is the Calpis
Yeah.
yogurt.
Yeah.
Yes.
What's
I
the
don't-
flavor?
I don't know.
Mango?
You sure?
Yes.
Get it. Just guess.
I know this one, but I don't know the taste one.
So you drink mango.
What the heck? I like this also. It's not bad. This one I think Caitlin like. Mommy also like.
Wait, you messed up the whole house
Come
already,
on, give me the thing.
Ah.
Ray. Yes.
You want some more?
Orange.
Caitlin, what flavor is it?
F&N. Twister.
Caitlin, what do you think? What do you think?
I know the taste
What taste is it?
because there's a little bit of.
What taste is it? Caitlin, hurry up.
It's already orange.
So, what brand?
I don't know.
You don't know? Mom, what's the brand?
And mine
F&N.
Is that your last?
Twister.
And mine.
No, choose one, Mom. Choose
And
one.
Twist. F&N.
You sure?
Yes.
You can take out your blindfold.
Like this.
It's not F&N, it's Twister.
Wow.
It's not F&N, it's Twister.
Okay. So next.
No, one more second. See? Ice lemon tea.
Huh?
No.
100 plus.
Yes.
Ice lemon tea, Caitlin said.
No, it's a 100 plus.
What brand is it?
Oh, what is the thing? I don't know.
What brand is it?
Same.
I know it's 100+, but I don't know what brand is that. F&M?
Wow, you sure?
Yes.
Is that your guess?
Yes.
It's F&N. You can take out your blindfold.
Where?
It's F&N.
Oh.
It's right there. F&N.
F&N hot. Where?
There.
Tiny.
Okay, last round.
Okay.
You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I've never tried this, and I don't know where Mom bought it, but yeah, we're gonna try this. Whee! I don't even know what flavor is this. Okay, you can drink it now.
Tastes like orange.
This one is Vitagen.
Oh, it's the white color one.
Original.
Can I try?
Original
I
one.
don't.
That's the original one, white color one.
Original.
Ew. This is actually less sugar.
Oh.
Vitagen. It's not considered original. It's called less sugar.
Kurang gula.
Yes, less sugar.
Less sugar. Yes.
You guessed it.
So, that's the video for today, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa short.
Open my.
Yes, you can open now.
Oh yeah.
Short challenge na ginawa namin. And,
Gimme. Mine.
uy,
Gimme. Mine. No.
and thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you on my next one. Stay safe and bye. Bye.